Are you thinking about selling your current home? If so, the biggest question from mine may be, if I sell now, where do I go? If this resonates with you, there's something you should know. The number of homes coming into the market is increasing, and that could make it easier for you to move up this summer. While this news has clear benefits for buyers who are craving more options for their home search, what does that mean for current homeowners like you? It gives you two distinct opportunities in today's housing market. So number one is take advantage of more options for your move up if your current house no longer meets your needs or lacks the space and features you want. This gives you even more opportunity to sell and move up into the home of your dreams. As options come to market, you'll have more to choose from when you search for, your next home. So partnering with a local real estate professional can help make sure you see these listings and as soon as they come to the market. And when you find the one, your agent can advise you how to write a winning offer to seal the deal. So the next thing is number two is sell before you have more competition. Just know that in order to make sure your house shines above the rest, it may make sense to put your home up for sale before your neighbors do the same. Creating more competition in your area, the increase in the number of homes being listed for sale is expected to continue. And a recent study from realtors.com says 2/3 of homeowners looking to sell say they'll do so by August. So a real estate professional can advise you on what you need to tackle to get your house ready to list so that they can put that for sale sign up in your yard so that sooner rather than later. That's because the process of getting a home ready to sell isn't taking as long as you may think. As a result, you can capitalize today's seller's market and get ahead of the competition. Bottom line is, if you're a current homeowner looking to sell, let's connect and begin the process. You have a unique opportunity to benefit from the additional homes being listed today and sell your house before there's more competition.